Carbon Cycle
by Mecham
Pavitra.
and Adriana.
The atmosphere is a barrier around Earth that keeps the heat in. Global warming is when there's too much greenhouse gases, which causes heat to rise too hot.
Carbon dioxide from the atmosphere dissolves into the surface water of the ocean. Photosynthesis by tiny marine plants, which is phytoplankton, is in the sunlit surface waters, which turns the carbon into organic matter.
The movement of the carbon from the atmosphere to the lithosphere, which is rocks, begins with rain. Atmospheric carbon combines with water to form a weak acid, known as carbonic acid, that falls to the surface in rain. The acid dissolves rocks, a process called chemical weathering, and releases calcium, magnesium, potassium, or sodium ions.
Plants absorb carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight to make their own food, as well as growing and releasing oxygen through photosynthesis. They also keep our air clean.
Animals and plants get rid of carbon dioxide gas through a process called respiration. The carbon dioxide is then released back into the air.
Decomposers then break down the remains of plants and animals and release carbon dioxide through respiration.
The hard remains are rapidly covered with silt and sand, and over time more layers continue to build.
When humans burn fossil fuels, the stored carbon is released into the atmosphere as carbon dioxide.
When humans burn fossil fuels to power factories, power plants, and cars and trucks, most of the carbon quickly enters the atmosphere as carbon dioxide gas.
Cars release pollution into the atmosphere. Thanks
Thanks
for
for
watching.